this is a small light lamp. Uh, it works like this. We can use this at night time. It is made from a Pringles bottle, a copper wire, and a battery and some LED, and with a switch off button. The next is a boat which can move. It throws air behind and moves forward in water. It is made from ice cream sticks, some plastic straw, bubble wrap, some batteries done, and a DC motor and a fan. And it works basically like this. It takes air in and it throws out. So this one is a robot dog. It works like this. So it is made from a DC motor there, some cell, a switch off button, and a ice cream stick, straws, and some cardboard. So this is a night lamp which is made from old plastic box, one battery, some wires, a switch off button, an old plastic bottle, and an LED. And an old balloon pipe. It is adjustable. It is made for reading. So I will just demonstrate how the focus is. So as you can see, the focus is very nice. So this is a game called Magnetic Marble Football. It is made from cardboard and old plastic box, some ice cream sticks, magnets, and some marbles. I'll show you how it's played. It is a game for 2 people. So the main thing in this game is a stick which has 2 magnets and a player which has 1 magnet. I'll demonstrate how it is played. So it moves like this. So you have to score in the opponent's goal like that. It's played. A marble football penalty shootout. So it is a game for 2 players. Basically, one player is the goalkeeper and can handle the goalkeeper's movements or right or left. The another player tries to shoot a goal with the marble like that. If the keeper saves the marble, then the player who is playing as the keeper gets a point. If he doesn't, the player who shoots the ball gets a point. It's very easy to make and you can just shoot. And some cardboard and ice cream. This next game is called as table tennis or marble table tennis. It is played like this. It is a game for 2 players. You basically have to catch the marble and throw it in the opponent's goal. This is the goal for opponent. If the opponent saves it, then he gets a chance to score a goal in us. But if we can save it and score a goal, so we get 1 point like this. If the opponent shoot a ball, we have to save it and then we have to shoot it in the opponent. It is made from copper wire, small straws, some cardboard, and some tape. The next one is this weapon of Hunter's Assassin Creed. I'll show you how. It is made from cardboard, velcro, ice cream sticks, some tree wood for this knife, and some copper wire over here. And some rubber bands. So it is done like this. You lock it here, then when you pull, it comes out. I'll show you. Next is a pirate's sword, which is made from some velvet, cardboard, and ice cream sticks, and some rope. So the velvet is very comfortable and it is a nice sword. The next one is a mini katana. It is sponge on its handle and velvet, which makes it very comfortable to hold. And the blade is made from ice cream sticks and it has a sharp edge by and you can make it more even sharper by rubbing it on sandpaper. And this one is a big katana made from ice cream sticks, sponge and velvet. The same materials used for this, and it's a big long sword and it's very hard to make. These are two boats. This one is Sinbad. These two boats are of Sinbad, the boats of Sinbad. So this boat is made from ice cream stick, paper, some rope, and it is from some hot glue. This is almost the same material, but it has the cannons and the wheels are from sponge. Thank you. So this is a gun made from rubber band and old straws, some ice cream stick and cardboard. So it works like this. You can put two rubber bands over here. After that, you can pull it back and then you can shoot bullets. So after that, this is an Assassin's Creed weapon. It works like this. This is a small weapon. So it goes in like this and comes out like this. The next one is a Spider-Man's web shooter. It shoots bullets. And it is made from old pen, a spring, an ice cream stick and cardboard and some velcro. The next one is a knife from CSGO. It can be closed and open. The next, it is a season ball made from mud, water, balloon and some tape. This is a plane made from a rubber band. So it is a plane made from rubber band. It is made from it works on rubber band power. I will show you only little bit. It is made from paper and wooden stick, some rubber bands and a plastic straw. So this is a homemade chess. It is made from cardboard and these are the kings, queens, all the things. This is a hand crossbow, but the downer part is broken, so it basically works like this. You put a pencil in, you lock it, and when you pull this trigger, it shoots the pencil. It is made from cardboard, ice cream stick and an old expandable thread. Done.